Huzhou Aopa Industry Company is a family-owned company and serving you since 2007. We are located in Huzhou, Zhejiang, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our factory, Huzhou Aopa Packaging Company, is also located at same city, which dedicated to various advanced automatic production equipment and strict quality control. We are able to produce 3 million pieces of cardboard jewelry boxes per month in multiple sizes and colors, especially the popular cotton-filled boxes in black, white, natural craft, gold, silver, teal, and other colors. Of course, we can personalize your cardboard jewelry boxes with our custom printed or stamped service. On the other hand, we still keep a handmade production line, which our experienced staff can custom-made all kinds of complicated and elegant gift boxes for our customer. Our products are not limited to gift boxes only. Also, we provide other paper products such as various size drums and partitions. Best of all, we can provide our customers various flexible trading terms, such as OA 60 days to release our customers' big financial pressure. Meanwhile, our professional and experienced team can provide you sourcing service on jewelry displays, accessory bags, tools, and any other Chinese products. We cherish any inquiries from you. We believe that our fast reaction and good service can make your purchasing job easy and relaxed. We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to have a win-win cooperation with us.